Guten Morgen. Ohayo gozaimasu. Hola.
Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video from Best Life Travel. My name is Camelia and today I'm here with Thanh Thanh.
Hello.
On today's video, we are heading to Hạ Long Bay as you might know, and we will jump on the Amy cruise. It's one of the newest cruises in Hạ Long Bay, and the capacity is about 70 guests. It will be less crowded and comfortable, yes, I guess. So today we are doing the full 2-day 1-night experience on Amy cruise. And okay, let's go and see what's actually like.
Today, we are transferring by this 11-seater G-Car limousine, a smooth way to get to the bay. Then we arrive at Hạ Long International Port. From here, we'll take a tender boat out to the main cruise.
Alright guys, we just had our lunch and it's a buffet.
Wow.
I think it's a good start. There's a mix of Vietnamese cuisine with some international options. I think the food leans more toward Vietnamese style, so the meal feels so light, balanced, and super easy to eat. I did try a bit of everything, but the one that stood out for me is the seafood. It was so fresh and juicy inside, and you can still taste the natural sweetness. And one more thing I really appreciate is that they do cater to different dietary needs. If you are a vegan, you can't eat seafood or meat, okay, they will have different menus for you. Just inform them in advance and they will prepare accordingly. Let's talk about the atmosphere. Yeah, the restaurant is so open with lots of natural light coming from the window. And the restaurant is not too crowded, not too noisy. It's very chilled. Okay, now it's time to check out our room. Honestly, it's the part that I've been most excited for. And today we are staying in the Eden balcony suite. Let's go. 211. So that one is 213. Yeah, this is our room. Okay, let's check it out. Wow. Okay. I'm impressed. Yeah, about the first impression, I think this room is a lot more spacious than I expected. Let's go inside, I'll show you around. Yeah, we have twin beds. Yeah, it's comfy. Okay, and now is the best part. It's the balcony. Wow. Look at this view.
Wow.
It's amazing, right? Imagining that you wake up in the morning and then you immediately see the view of Hạ Long Bay. Okay. Wow. It's very clean and it's spacious too. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, and here, this is the highlight of the bathroom, the bathtub, with a full view of Hạ Long Bay. Yeah, you can sit in a warm bath and enjoying the view from this. Yeah. Okay, I will sit in the balcony. Yes. Sit in the balcony, reading the books and enjoying the view of Hạ Long Bay around me. This is gonna be very chill. Okay guys, we just arrived at Luan Cave and we decided to go kayaking, and I have to admit, it is one of the best ways to explore Hạ Long Bay. And yeah, the water is calm. It looks like a mirror. It reflects everything around you. Now we are at the base of Ti Top Island. There are two options here. First, there is a small beach and you can lie on the white sand or go swimming, or you can choose the second option, hiking all the way up there to the top of the T-Top Island. There's an amazing viewpoint. I heard that the scenery at the viewpoint is incredible. So let's do it.
5 minutes later.
Alright, finally we made it. It's actually insane. Like from up here, you can see the entire bay. You may suffer a little on the way up, but once you get here, you kind of forget about it.
This might be one of the best times to be on the cruise. Right now, we are up on the Sunday for the sunset party, and the vibe is just really chill. And everyone's just sitting here relaxing.
Introduce you. This is our chef. His English name is Adam.
And Eve.
You can call him Adam Ramsey. Like he's a younger brother of Sir Gordon Ramsay. Look at his face. They have the same father, but different grandfathers. And tonight, we are glad to be here to show you how to make one of the most famous and popular dish in Vietnam. You know, in our language, we call this is gỏi cuốn. Hey! Thank you, chef. Great job.
Let's talk about the dinner. This dinner we had a set standard menu. Everything is served one by one, and you just sit back and relax and enjoy the whole experience. And one more thing I have to say, like in the morning, the highlight of the meal is still the seafood. Was so amazing. The restaurant feels more like more intimate and luxurious with shorter lining. I think the dinner tonight was not about the food. It was about the whole experience. And okay, overall, I think it's pretty perfect. Honestly, I have nothing to complain. I'm enjoying the second cup of cocktails. This one is Black Russian. It's so delicious. The bartender here is professional.
In the evening, you can enjoy squid fishing, depending on the season, or if you're feeling a bit more lively, there's karaoke available on board. If you prefer something quieter, you can just hang out at the lounge or head up to the sun deck for a drink and the views. Spa treatments are also available on board. In the early morning of second day, aside from Tai Chi class, you can also use a gym with ocean views. And just for convenience, there's an elevator running from first deck to third deck.
Hey guys, it's day 2 and I'm inside the sunset cave, which can be called surprising cave. And I kinda get why they call it like that. When you are outside, it seems small. But when you go inside, it opens up into a massive space, and you can see the stalactite hanging on the ceilings and rising from the ground. It's like you are walking through a natural gallery. It's a pleasure to meet you. And first of all, in your opinion, what is the soul or the unique personality that sets Amy Cruise apart from other ships in Hạ Long Bay?
The soul of Amy is the people.
Yeah.
The people in our operation. Yeah, we you know what, we are trying our best to training for the people here in hospitality and the polite.
If you could describe the hospitality style of your crew in just 3 words, what would they be and why?
I would say attentive, professional, and warm.
Thank you for all your support, and yeah, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, guys, that's pretty much the end of our 2-day 1-night experience on Amy Cruise. I would like to give you a quick and honest summary of our whole experience, and I have 2 factors: is feel, space, experience, and value. The feel and it's a design, refreshing, comfortable, and a bit Indo-teen inspired, and it's designed for you to actually relax. Space is our cabin and the facilities on board. Our cabins, I think, is amazing. It's a good place for us to disconnect and totally relax. The facility is also good too, and I'll give it in 1 sentence: everything you need is on board. Third one is the experience, the dining and the itinerary. Okay, about the dining, I have to say, so fresh, so delicious, and very, very easy to eat. The itinerary is the Hạ Long Bay route, and it's the classic route, but everything is organized smoothly. It's not too rushed. It's a mix of relaxation and activities. And the last one is the value. What makes Amy Cruise stand out? Amy Cruise is a new cruise in Hạ Long Bay, and that makes a big difference. It's a big size cruise, and compared to other bigger cruises in Hạ Long Bay, it's more comfortable and not too crowded. The service are incredible, and the staff on board are so attentive and supportive. Okay, and so overall, about the whole experience on Amy Cruise, if I had to rate it, I would rate it 9 out of 10.